now en route to Arkham Island.
Commissioner Gordon here yet?
Yes, sir. He's waiting for you down at patient handover. Got here just before you did.
Sharpie loves these cameras. Hey, Sharpie, you getting my good side? Ah, but heck, they're all good, aren't they?
I want him securely locked away this time. Another escape and I...
Look at all this new security. How's a guy supposed to break out of here?
I hope it's enough, officer.
New patient in the intensive treatment lobby. All non-essential staff to vacate the area.
Oh, it's always nice to return to my sweet little hacienda. You know what? I prefer the good old cavity search. Much more personal.
Got a red light. Multiple prohibited items.
I want Joker searched again.
It's not the patient. It's,
Ooh, would you sneak in with your bats? Come on, tell me. Batarangs, bat claws? Ooh, bat smacks.
Scan is green on Joker.
Open the gate. Get him out of there. I want weapons on him at all times. Do not let him out of your sight.
There'll be time enough for you later, Dash. Speaking of time, tick-tock. Is that a crocodile I hear?
Look out, Dr. Young.
Oh my. Joker.
What's up, Doc? Pencil me in for tomorrow at 4. We've got a lot of catching up to do.
Keep behind me. Okay, he's clear.
Hello, new patient. This is Quincy Sharp, Warden of Arkham Asylum. When Amadeus Arkham...
Ooh, it's my favorite show. I'm Warden Idiot. You'll never escape.
Premier psychiatric rehabilitation center for the criminally insane. Situated on a small island in the Gulf Bay, our team of psychiatrists and medical experts will stop at nothing to ensure the dark cure and fully rehabilitated. Recent successes with Harvey Dent, a.k.a. Two-Face.
Hear about back gate balls?
Shut up!
No, catch you soon, boss. I'm telling you, the state of the wiring in these metal devices. Well, it's shocking.
Shut it!
My
Now!
boys over there could have been hurt in that unfortunate fire.
Just gotta check your prisoner, Officer Bowles.
Whatever, just be quick.
Only following procedure. Well, patient seems to be in satisfactory condition. Looks like he suffered minor lacerations, probably in the last 2 hours. There seems to be...
Boom! Need to take my temperature? I'd be happy to drop my hands.
Get him out of here. He's good. Get the door open.
Alert in intensive treatment. Category 9 patient in transit. Pacification system active. Shoot to kill permissions granted.
You heard the lady. We got another...
Get ready. Keep your weapons trained on it at all times.
Yeah, that thing looks...
What's it doing?
I've got your scent, Batman. I will hunt you down.
Power up the car! Get that control! Get that thing out of here! Now!
A toy collar won't stop me from killing you, Batman. I'll rip you apart. Eat your bones.
That reminds me, I really need to get me some new shoes.
Okay, move up.